Hola. So you tried learning a language, but the moment you try to speak it, your mind freezes up because you fear being judged. See, the problem with traditional language apps is you're supposedly learning to speak the language by just using your fingers. With Rype Go, we use AI-powered speaking lessons to help you speak confidently from day one, without ever being judged. Here's how it works. First, you'll watch a beautiful and engaging video lesson that we produce in our very own studio.
More importantly, instead of learning how to say pineapple, you'll be learning about really fun topics that you actually care about, like how to make small talk at a party, or ordering at a restaurant, even how to ask someone out.
Next, you'll practice your speaking skills with our AI-powered speaking lessons. Our lessons are designed to feel like real-life conversations you would have with a friend, a coworker, or even a native speaker you just met. Best of all, our speech recognition technology gives you real-time feedback so you'll know if you're on the right track. It's like having a language coach 24/7. Finally, you can chat live with one of our hand-picked professional teachers to get personalized feedback and real-life interaction. So stop wasting your time using traditional language apps that only work out your fingers. With Rype Go, you'll speak with confidence from day one, and you'll never feel embarrassed again, even when you freeze up.